Every day there are more than 75 flights in and out of Misawa Air Base, Japan. Those flights carry anywhere from hundreds of people on a commercial airliner to a single pilot in a fighter jet. But the number of people on board the newest arrival to Misawa is zero. This RQ-4 Global Hawk is coming from Andersen Air Force Base, Guam, and is the first ever Global Hawk to deploy to Japan.
Well, this is a great opportunity for us to continue to work together with one of our best allies in the Pacific. The Japanese-U.S. Relationship is a very strong one, and we hope this will just continue to bolster that.
Guam's summer weather, which can include multiple typhoons, impacts the Global Hawk's ability to reliably fly missions there. By moving the jet to Misawa, it will provide a better flying environment.
With the severe weather during the summertime in Guam, that provides us with limited access to other areas in the Pacific. Typhoons will come through on a regular basis. Up here, it's not the case, and so we're looking forward to a higher success rate with the weather here at Misawa.
As an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platform, the Global Hawk has many missions that support the stability of the Pacific region. The most visible being its humanitarian and disaster relief support, such as in recent operations Tomodachi and Damayan.
During Tomodachi, for instance, which is very close to the people here in Japan, we were able to help in the wake of the disaster pinpoint locations where there were downed power lines, outages, bridges out, and also most famously fly in over the top of the reactor, which is the first time that a UAV flew over in an NBC environment, nuclear biological environment.
The Global Hawk will operate out of Misawa until October when it returns to Guam for the winter, and will provide immeasurable support to the stability of the Pacific region. Technical Sergeant Stephen Achinache, Misawa Air Base, Japan.